Imagine this: you're on a road trip, belting out your favorite song, when suddenly your car sputters and stops. No warning lights, no strange sounds, just an abrupt end to your adventure. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a real safety risk, with danger potentially looming ahead. But don't worry, there's hope. By understanding the common causes behind these unexpected breakdowns, you can take steps to keep your journey smooth and safe. The best part? Most of these issues are preventable. Let's dive into the typical reasons why your car might stop suddenly while you're on the road. First up, we have the battery and the alternator. These two are the lifeblood of your car's electrical system. The battery provides the spark to start your car and powers the accessories when the engine's off. On the other hand, the alternator steps in when the engine is running, recharging the battery and keeping the electrical system humming. Now, batteries aren't forever. Typically, they last between 3 to 5 years, but wear and tear can decrease their performance over time. If your car is cranking slowly, your lights are dim, or the battery warning light's on, it might be time for a check or even a replacement. Then there's the alternator. If it's not doing its job, your battery will drain and your car could shut off mid-drive. Scary, right? Symptoms of a failing alternator can include a dead battery, dim lights, or a growling sound. So keep an eye on those battery checks and be aware of the signs of a failing alternator. Next, let's talk about the fuel system. Your car can't run without fuel, right? Well, the fuel pump plays a crucial role in this system. It's like the heart of your vehicle, pumping fuel from the tank to the engine. If this pump starts to fail, your car might not get the fuel it needs, affecting its performance and potentially causing it to shut off. Signs of a failing fuel pump could include reduced gas mileage, power loss, or a noisy engine. Now, the fuel filter is another important component. It acts like a security guard, keeping impurities from reaching your engine. But if this filter gets clogged, it can restrict fuel flow, leading to engine stalling and shutdown. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the fuel filter can prevent these issues. And let's not forget the most obvious cause: running out of gas. Always keep an eye on your fuel gauge. Remember, a healthy fuel system is key to keeping your car running smoothly. Finally, we arrive at the engine. Overheating becomes a formidable foe at this stage. Issues such as coolant leaks, radiator glitches, a faulty thermostat, or even a malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor can be potent triggers for your engine to overheat. Overheating isn't a trivial issue. It can compel your car to power down to avoid causing further damage. Yet the consequences aren't confined to an immediate shutdown. Persistently overlooking overheating can snowball into long-term problems, which can drastically impact your car's performance. Hence, a word to the wise: never overlook your car's temperature gauge. Overheating can indeed pave the way for serious complications. There you have it. The common causes of your car shutting off while driving and how to prevent them. From worn-out batteries and faulty alternators to fuel system issues and engine overheating, regular maintenance is your best defense against these unwelcome surprises. And remember, an OBD2 scanner can be your best friend in diagnosing these issues. You don't need to be a mechanic to own one. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car tips. Thanks for watching.